we must ensure that we put in place the necessary support mechanism for us to attain our rightful place among the best in this world.
For the ministry to achieve its objectives, it has been allocated over $4.7 billion for the 2018-19 fiscal year. Additional funding will be coming from the government and their multilateral and bilateral partners. These were outlined in the 2018-19 estimates of expenditure.
Energy efficiency and conservation is key. For every dollar invested in energy efficiency, at least $3 are saved. This is important, especially in the context of Jamaica, an emerging economy seeking to create sustainable economic growth of 5% in 4 years.
That is why the ministry, through its Energy Efficiency and Conservation Program, will be developing national guidelines for disposal of hazardous wastes and retrofitting more public sector entities.
We want to create opportunities for young people in particular to gain the necessary skills.
90 schools will be receiving broadband and Wi-Fi connectivity, tablets, laptops and audiovisual display units. The ministry will also be implementing a public education and outreach program which will include student e-ambassadors.
Where we launch the energy management and energy efficiency program for the public sector that seeks to use the public sector as a vehicle to raise the level of awareness.
This is being funded through a partnership involving the government, the Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA, and the Inter-American Development Bank IDB. The International Postal System IPS will be launched during the 2018-19 fiscal year with funding from the Universal Postal Union.
We have to ensure that we create an educated society that can think outside of the box.
The ministry's Delivery of Technical and Vocational Education project will be providing secondary students with virtual classrooms to utilize ICT. This is geared towards improving the performance at the CSEC level. Rural householders will soon have affordable access to electricity as 15 kilometers of pole line extensions and 870 house wirings will be completed under the Electrification Services Project. $675 million is also being used to support the research and development efforts of the government.
We have a cyber incident response team within the Ministry of Science and Energy and Technology, and that cyber incident response team, CERT, is supported by our partners within the JCF and our international partners.
This team is being supported with a $30 million budget to ensure safety within cyberspace.
These are initiatives geared towards improving the lives of all Jamaicans.